Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 211GPK. This is a gold anodized aluminum door shoe or door bottom. Okay. This has a, well, let's dissect the part number. 211 is representative of the profile. This is an L-shaped door bottom, and why people would use an L-shaped door bottom is they might have an unusual door thickness. You might have a 2.5-inch thick door, and they don't make a U-shape for that. I've had people with seriously thick doors and then use two of these back-to-back mounted. You might have an 1 3/8 door. You might just want an L shape. Whatever the case might be, this is an L-shaped style. I've even had people use these for astragals as well. That's atypical, but there are certain applications that just call for an atypical solution. Whatever the reason, you might find that this L shape is conducive. There's no disqualifying this as a possible solution. G is gold anodized, available in several different finishes: mill aluminum, dark bronze, satin nickel, painted white, things of that nature. The PK means Pemko Prene. That is a proprietary Pemko sort of synthetic material that's going to be similar to a neoprene synthetic rubber sort of item. Very durable, very good with exposure to extreme temperature, etc. Won't fail like vinyl will with exposure to sunlight. We discussed the applications. Typical gold tells me it's residential. Doesn't have to necessarily be. I've sold this to retail spaces, retail chain stores that have in the shopping mall 2 doors that swing out and they've got brass hardware everywhere. Well, they need to weather seal those. And this is an attractive way to go about doing that. Okay. Dimensionally, there is an image below this video showing everything important. Let's go over that now. You have 1 1/8 inches of the extrusion, and then 1/2 inch of the Pemko Prene itself, so that's 1 5/8, 1/2 inch over here. You have 1.25 inch dimension, so you can see how that's going to work with your application. Okay, if you have an 1 3/8 door, this likely will work for you, although Pemko does make a U shape for 1 3/8. You might have an unusual door. This is also available with a drip cap, and if it's an exterior door, you want the drip cap version as well. And if you'd like to discuss that or find that part, you can do so by reaching out to us or researching the Pemko catalog. But that drip cap version is nice because it helps deflect rain from getting to this point, and then easier to get inside. But this is very common. Available in several different lengths as well. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to, say, 32-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole, and the next one's all the way over here. And speaking of those slotted holes, screws are included in a complementary finish. It's nice to have that slotted hole from the factory because it allows you to tailor this installation on a sill that may not be level or a door that's not plumb. Most sills are not level, and most doors aren't truly plumb. At least existing ones. Also, that slotted hole is handy because it will allow you to compensate for a misdrilled hole. You know, when you're pre-drilling the screw holes in the door, whether it's aluminum, wood, fiberglass, steel, stainless steel, bronze, whatever it might be, aluminum, the drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces through if you've not used a center punch. So that slotted hole is very handy to help compensate for that as well. And if you have a door closer or spring hinges on your door or some sort of item like that, getting proper adjustment of this so that it seals, but not so that it prevents the door closer from being able to pull the door closed and latched, or spring hinges especially. Just enough to make contact to be a weather seal, but not so much as to prevent the door from operating correctly. And especially if it's a fire-rated door. I don't sell these to hotels often, but I have in the past, and those doors are always fire-rated. Pemko is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things weather stripping related, not only L-shaped door bottoms, but thresholds and door sweeps and perimeter gasketing. Material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze as well. Any questions on the Pemko number 211GPK? door bottom, or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.